started videoing.
Oh, sorry. My bad.
Did you want to sing? You're too busy looking at the camera. You want to dance? Let's dance. Now old Mr. Johnson had troubles of his own. He had a yellow cat that wouldn't leave his home. He tried and he tried to give the cat away. He gave it to a man going far away. But the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back, he thought it was a goner, but the cat came back, it just wouldn't stay away. So he gave it to a woman going up in a balloon. He told her for to take it to the man in the moon. The balloon came down about 90 miles away, but where the woman is, well, I dare not say. And the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back, he thought he was a goner, but the cat came back, he just wouldn't stay away. So he gave it to a man going way out west. He told him for to take it to the one he loved the best. And first his train hit the track and then it jumped the rails, and not a soul was left behind to tell the gruesome tale. And the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back, they thought he was a goner, but the cat came back, he just couldn't stay away. What's the next verse? Oh yeah, that's right. The man around the corner said he'd kill the cat on sight, so he loaded up his shotgun with nails and dynamite. He waited and he waited for the cat to come around, but 97 pieces of his gun were all they found. And the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back, they thought he was a goner, but the cat came back, he just couldn't stay away. Now the cat was the possessor of a family of his own, with 7 little kittens till there came a cyclone. It tore the houses all apart and tossed the cats around. The air was filled with kittens, but not one was ever found. But the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back, they thought he was a goner, but the cat came back, he just couldn't stay away. You're funny, Ripley. Want a different song? You like Down by the Bay? Want to sing to that? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Oh, that's wrong. Grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a parrot eating a carrot? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a snail delivering the mail? Down by the bay. You tired? You done with this? Want a kiss? Give me a kiss. No kiss?